Hey, here's how to make your very first $100 with affiliate marketing. And we're starting right now. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm Royal. Welcome to Royal's Mindset. So in this video, we're talking about how to create your very first $100 bill with affiliate marketing. Here's some recent income proof from the last 60 days of my Warrior Plus account. I went back 60 days because I didn't have any income in this account before 60 days ago, right? So I went back to May 16th. And these are some of my results. $121, mostly promoting the Click engine. My first time having success on the Warrior Plus platform. And here's some more commissions that I've earned. $117 from this first account. I have two MyLegion secret accounts, and I still have $117 that I haven't cashed out. And RC stands for recurring payments. So these current recurring payments have been coming in every single month, and I've been growing a nice residual income. So let me help you guys make your very first $100. All you got to do is just hit that like button and watch this video until the very end. It should be very helpful for you. Let's get started. So when it comes to making your very first $100 bill online with affiliate marketing, guys, it takes finding and promoting a high converting offer. This has to be a quality product, not something with a huge refund rate and just something that's thrown together really quickly and something that's not going to make you much money. You want to promote things that are high quality and that's actually going to help people get them the results of whatever they're looking for. Next tip I recommend, guys, is using a squeeze page or a landing page. The reason this is important, guys, because a lot of people promote just the affiliate link. They go grab their affiliate link, they copy it, they paste it, and they blast it everywhere. And sometimes there's certain networks and social media platforms that don't allow you to broadcast and promote your affiliate link as just the raw link, which is why it is a pro tip to promote a squeeze page instead of just your raw affiliate link, because it'll help separate you from every other affiliate that's blasting that affiliate link all over the internet. It'll help you stand out. You'll look different. You'll be able to collect leads and follow up with those leads in just a much better way to promote any affiliate product. After finding a high quality product to promote and creating a squeeze page which will help you look different than everybody else that's just blasting their affiliate link, next thing you want to do is drive some traffic. All right, and there's different ways of driving traffic, guys. It kind of depends on what you're interested in. When I got online back in 2011, I tried blogging. I come to find out that I don't like blogging, right? I'm not going to be writing articles. I'd rather do videos, right? So you got to find your method of traffic, the way that you want to get traffic. There's paid traffic, there's social media, Pinterest. I've even been trying safeless mailers and even traffic exchanges. Whether it's paid traffic or free traffic, marketing is a daily thing, guys. So find your thing on what you're going to do every day to get people to your landing page, to introduce new people, new eyeballs, so that you can make money. Because you got to send a lot of traffic, guys. You got to send people in through the funnel, and then out the other end comes the cash. All right. And tip number 4, guys, I touched on this a little bit earlier, is that you want to be collecting leads. All right. Most people do not purchase when they first see a product or an offer. So it's best to collect their information and then send them emails, reintroducing them back to the offer. There's an old marketing saying, I think a rule actually, that a person has to see a product at least seven times before they actually pull out their credit card and make a purchase. And the last tip I got for you guys is setting up a sequence, an automatic email sequence. All right, this is how super affiliates automate their business is by having a email follow-up sequence that'll send their emails out automatically, all right, reintroducing them to the product. If you follow these 5 tips, you will get the ball rolling for you, all right? Affiliate marketing online isn't super hard. All you got to do is find a product that is high converting, send traffic to it, and the sales will come out on the other end, all right? This stuff works, guys. These tips, don't take them lightly. Put them into action in whatever you're promoting. Try different methods of traffic, of course. Promote your ad every day. Find your method of traffic, the thing that works for you, and just keep promoting, and the money will come out of the end. But you have to do this on a day-to-day basis. So that's all I got, guys, for this video. Hit that like button, and if you're interested in taking the same training that I took, it's a step-by-step video course that teaches you everything about affiliate marketing. You can find that link, the first link, in the description. Other than that, guys, like this video, subscribe to the channel for more affiliate marketing tips, and if you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you will enjoy this next one as well. Keep learning, keep marketing, and keep advertising every single day to get your very first $100 with affiliate marketing. Take care. See you on the next one.